Back here at the Tallest Man Academy 995, as we can see, I have this an image release of the Independent National Electoral Commission, a release about the voters card. And as you can see, when I try to make edits to this picture to change anything, it cannot work actually, because it is not editable. It's just an image sitting right here. Now, editing images, pictures can just reduce the stress involved in typing. It enables easier sharing of documents and makes work pretty much faster and more easier to carry out. Right here we have this screenshot, and there are a couple of ways we can go about this. Now, to do this, what I can do is to come over here to my Google Drive. To access Google Drive, just go over to type drive.google.com, log in with your Gmail account, and you'll be right here. So what we can do is to click on new, then go to where you save the screenshot. For this case, it is saved in a folder on my desktop. So when I go there, click on file upload, as we saw, file upload, and it will take you to where you can open up the file. And right here, this one is saved on a folder on the desktop. So I'll go right there and we can see it. And just go over and it is here. Click on it, click on open, and it will load onto the Google Drive like so. It is loading. And when it has uploaded, just go over to where it has been uploaded, click on it and right click on it and go to open with. When you are there, click on open with Google Docs. Click on open with Google Docs and it will take you right. Right here, our file has been uploaded to Google Docs. So right here, we can make edits. Like, for example, we can delete this national here. We can just delete it, remove it, and leave electoral. But one thing again that we can do is to open it back to Word. Open it back to Word, and to do this, just come over here, click on file. When you click on file, go to download and hit on download with Microsoft Word, and it will start to download into Microsoft Word. To start downloading, as we can see here, it is downloading. So when it is done downloading, just open it and it will take you directly to Microsoft Word, and we can make further edits to our document. And right here, it has fully downloaded into our Word, Microsoft Word, so we can go ahead to make further edits. For example, we can bring back the national, like so, like this, bring back the Independent National Electoral Commission. Now we can change the font size for this. We can change it, like, let's say we make it 20 like this. We can change the font color for all of them. When you click on Ctrl A to highlight, we can come here on font color and change everything to black like this. So we can go ahead to make any kind of edit we want to do. So this is one of the ways we can convert our pictures into text, editable text. And when we are done with this, one of the things we can do is to convert this to PDF. And to do that, just click on file, come over here and save as, then click on browse where you want to save it. For this particular case, let's say I want to save it to my removable disk. This is my removable disk here. I can just come over here on save as type. You can save here as a PDF. So this is one of the ways we can go about this right away. Another way we can go about this is to come over here, image to text.info. Image to text.info. There are many websites that can allow you to do this, but image to text.info is very good at this. And like you can see, there are a couple of things we can do here. We can convert JPG to Word, PDF to Word, PDF to text. And right here we have an option to upload our image. So we just click on browse and it will take us, we have to go and locate where we actually saved it. And in this particular case, it is saved in a folder on the desktop. So we'll go there, we click on it, click on open, and it will start or come over right here. Once you have done that, just click on submit. Click on submit and it will start to upload like so. As you can see it is uploading. And right here it has uploaded, and as you can see, our image has uploaded right here, as we can see. So we have other options. We can convert this, as you can see it right here. We can copy to clipboard, we can download it like this, like so, but we can also convert it to Word, and that is exactly what we are going to do. So click on convert text to Word, and it will convert it directly to Word. And when you click on it, just go down like so, and it is converting it. So as we can see, it has converted it right here for us into Word, and we can go ahead directly to make our edits right here. As we can see, we can click on end. We can go ahead to make our edits right here. Another thing we can do is that we can also copy it, and copy it, Ctrl C to copy. We can come over here to Word, and when we are here we can paste it, Ctrl V to paste. Align this, let's say align it to the center, align to the center. We can Ctrl A, we can change the font color, just play around with this. We can change the font color. Let's say we change it to blue. Let's say we change it to blue. We have changed the font color. We can go ahead, change the font size and all that. So this is how one of the ways you can edit an image, convert it to text, as we can see here. So just play around with this, and it makes work pretty faster and easier to share. And when you are done, also you can just click on file and you can convert to PDF like so. Thank you. Another way we can go about this is to come over here, pdfconverter.com. I know there are a couple of websites that can allow you to do this, but pdfconverter.com is also very good. And there are options for us here. You have PDF to Excel, Word to PDF, and there are a lot of options that we have here. And when you even go down, you can see more. But right here we are on image to text, so I'll just click on image to text, and when you click on it, it will start to load up for us. And we are right here, and what we can do is to click to upload our file like so. So it is coming up. We have to go where we save the file, and remember Here our file is actually saved on the folder on the desktop. This one, just click on it, open, and it will bring you right here for free. It is uploading, it is uploading, and right here it is converting, as we can see here. It is converting to text, and that is exactly what we want. And right here you can see options that we have here: JPG to Word. You can match PDFs. If you have PDFs that are not in one place, you can match them. You can compress PDF, you can split PDF, and when you click on more, you can see other options and things you can actually go ahead to actually do. And when it is done converting, just click on download. If you have another file, you can go ahead to convert it, and it will start to download right here, as you can see. And when it is done, you just open it, and you can even convert it to Word, as we can actually see here. So I will go ahead and fast forward it right here. And right here in Word, we can go ahead and make our edits. Let's say we can make this bold. We can bold this. We can make it bold. We can change the font size. Let's say make this 20, or let's say 18. We can go ahead change the font color, Ctrl A to highlight all, and we can go ahead choose black for all of them. We can even go ahead to justify it, the alignment. Just click it on justify. Yes, we can arrange the settings and all that. Go ahead to just put it in the way that we want it to appear. This can reduce the stress of typing, and it makes sharing of files more easier. And the most important is that you can do this for free.